Hawaii Friday evening, guys. Yeah, happy Friday. Happy Fridays. Yeah, it is. You guys know that they're gonna be freaking snowing tomorrow? Oh, crap. I didn't realize that. I got, no, I'll take what the weather is. Uh, okay, guys. Is this iPad still on? Okay, it's on. 60%. Okay. I wonder what they do. Weather gonna be like tomorrow. Yeah, we're gonna go. Oh God. Hope this road is getting worse. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, I hope not. Oh my God. I guess I can't my face so freaking tan. Alright. Oh crap! It's gonna be 3, 4. Oh, it's gonna be rain. Rain snow. I thought it was gonna like I guess we will get rain and snow tomorrow. Oh my God, that is worse. Yeah, I know, man. Oh, I hate this thing. Yeah, I hate snow. Everybody hates snow. Holy crap! It's gonna be 26 degrees. Oh my goodness. Oh God, damn. Well, this. Alright, game. I'm gonna play some PS4. What are you playing? I don't know. I'm gonna play some Madden in 19. Oh, stuff like that. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna play some Madden 19. What? It's about an update? Ah, this is like piece of crap. Oh. Gotta be something that we can watch. We can watch live places and I don't know. Oh, I want to play from Spider-Man. Right, guys. Yeah, I watch Spider-Man. Yeah, why not? Go watch. Yeah, I'm gonna play some Spider-Man. Watch this while I play this. Oh, hey kids. I just watched the news today. It's like a storm. I watched it today. Oh my goodness, that is like not good. I know. Are we going to get water snow? No, I just checked the weather on my phone, and it's just like rain snow. It's not really bad, but we're just gonna just yeah, we're not getting snow or something. We'll see what happens tomorrow. You know. So what are you guys doing? I want to see looking for a game. Oh, a game. Oh, okay. All right. Just don't buy anything. I won't. Oh my God. I don't know what should I get. Should I get a PS4, right? Yeah. I don't know what I get. What's the birthday? I don't know. 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Okay. Oh, then I don't know. I don't know what I just said. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna go to play Spider-Man. Alright, guys, we're gonna watch, right? Yeah. I mean, what we watch. Yeah. Yeah. Spider-Man whoosh. I watch Spider-Man. Guys, I had a bad feeling that we might have made more show. Yeah, I just checked the weather and it's like supposed to be snowing in the morning. So stupid. I mean, it's like freaking Thursday Mars. And where's spring? Where's spring? Yeah, I know. Spring. Yeah. But no, I want spring to be back. Well, so what the heck are you doing here? Oh, I just wanted to hang a while. Alright. So, by Yoshi, how's my kids doing in the class? Oh, they're doing good. The quiz are doing great, and yeah, and the test gonna be on next week. Oh, next week. Oh, what guys doing? Oh, math test. The math test. Oh, the math test. Yeah, man. I mean, it's called like freaking 26 in March. Are you crazy? This is like crazy. Weather's crazy, and yeah, yeah. Tell me about it. That cold weather. We got like spring. You know, spring's like one of my most favorite seasons ever. Why Mario? Yeah. Only yeah. I like spring. Yeah, my kids want spring that much. Cause Easter, that's why. Is it Easter March or April? I couldn't tell. It's April. Oh, okay, it's April. Yeah, hope it's not too much. I swear to God, it's too much. I'm going so fucking out right now. Yeah, we'll find out tomorrow. Yeah, I guess we'll see what happens. Wow, there's someone outside here. Oh my goodness. Wow, it's very large snow last night. Yeah, just like fucking California, Dad. Yeah, I hate snow. Spring's coming. I, I man, I guess we gotta put the cold weather to rest. Yeah, exactly. I won't want one weather. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, I guess. I know. Yeah, I don't know. This is so crazy here. It's like so freaking cold. It's just snowing and snowing. I mean, this is ridiculous. I hate snow. Right? Yeah, I can't stand snow crap. Yeah. But don't worry. It's gonna be coming. I hope there's no snow. No snowstorm. Yeah. Yeah, we want spring, right? Yeah. Yeah. And your school got canceled, so hey. But tomorrow you have a tomorrow you won't be back to school. Aww. Hey, don't worry. And you got a test this week, so you better be prepared for that. Okay, Dad. Oh shoot. No. Goodness, guys, I'm bored. What I want to do? Let's go play some video games. Yeah. Playing video games will be awesome. What else do you know? Yes. Will we? Are we? Are we like gonna do something like of course we're gonna play some video games. That's what I said. Oh yeah, let's play some video games. I'm gonna play Call of Duty. You know that's by Yoshi's video game, right? Yeah. But how about video games for girls? I guess we don't have one. Yeah, fine. I love playing video games. Yeah, Roy, are you gonna go play video games with us? Nah, I'm good. I'm gonna just do something. What gonna do? I don't know. It's kinda hard. Well, where you at? I don't know home or anything, but you can play who you want. Yeah, sure. Why not? Why not? I guess. Yes, make sure you behave yourself. And I know there's no school for you guys, but going back to school. I know you hate school, but hey, some days are good. You can do whatever you want. Yay! Let's to play some video games. Yeah, my favorite games. Yeah. I'm going to go take a sweep. Go take a nap. Oh goodness. What a waxing day.